anyone can invite you to a party, but best friends like to invite you to suffer together. So on Christmas Day, we decided to hike 10 miles to knock off an item on Tyler's bingo card and also knock off my last 10 hiking miles for the year. We did the Fiery Gizzard North Trailhead, and we ended up hitting, I think it was 7 waterfalls total, and then we got to Raven's Viewpoint. We had planned on going further, but it wasn't in the cards. So overall, this was a 10.5 mile hike, knocking not only a bingo card item off for Tyler for the year, but also one for me.
Oh, hi. Yeah, under rocks and then under ledges.
Okay, I'm going down here. No, is that you want a picture? Okay. Well, this is a little steeper. They're so tiny. They're so tiny. I can barely put my heel on it.
Wheelchairs are gonna have a problem on this.
Well, yeah.
Oh!
You know what you said?
I didn't mean if he's going that way. That's cool. Hold on. Damn. Joke's on you, we're going through the mine.
I wish I had a flashlight.
Who wants to go down the creepy tunnel first?
How about you?
Fuck no. I'm way too fat.
You could take your backpack off.
Looks very wet.
It's too low for me, no?
Vertical? I can't see Cooter. He's behind the tree.
Hidden Canadian.
I found a red one.
Oh, is that you, Dakota?
Huh?
Is that you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you see the camera?
What?
Can you see the camera?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, there's red ones here. Do you want some?
I don't know where it went. I was not aware there was a rocking trip at me.
Yeah, I don't know.
You have to make sure to go through this video, by the way, and edit out some parts.
Okay. Why?
Oh, it was zoomed into your boobs.
Oh, thanks.
All I want for Christmas is a little nugget.
Rock picking ASMR.
You still going? I'll go look. Oh my god!
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's why I went, oh, there's a crack here. I wonder if I do that, though. Where'd you go? You gotta come see this crack.
You can see light through there. Holy cow.
It's not as big as your crack, but it's pretty big. We were one small earthquake away from falling off the side of the mountain.
Actually, you're not wrong. It's the Christmas orange. Nice and broken. Ta-da!
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Did you get a good video of the crack?
Yeah.
Bet you falling at the bottom of the crack.
Think there's
I
gold.
would have had gold fever back in the day. Oh, hi. What? It's just a crack. We could go down there. Adventure.
I want the center.
Hold on, don't move. Nope, just looks like black.
Why don't you take a video? And just move the camera around.
Hey.
Look at the crack. You gotta be able to see something in that. Alright, stay down there. You can do what?
What are you doing?
I was taking. Alright, one more. I'm sorry. This next photo.
I videoed the whole thing.
Oh my gosh, Dakota.
Come on.
Is that a picture of you? Oh, you zoomed in on her.
I zoomed in so far.
That's so cool. Here, we'll step over here so that we're not on the edge for you. Keep it down one. You're alright.
That last foot. Come on, do it for the video. We're on video. Come on. One more foot. One more foot.
Good.
Alright.
It's a big tree.
Hi.
Let's go.
I don't wanna.
The plate that holds the shifters on, I was just going to disconnect that.